Yo. Back again with another unboxing. Today, these just came in today. These were highly anticipated in my eyes. I love a good black Foamposite, especially when it has the black sole. You know what I mean? Foamposite black and gold. It don't get no better than that, man. No better. Check that out. Ooh, with the metallic swoosh. Even a metallic swoosh on the back. This is awesome, man. Look at that. They got the metallic stuff going up the tongue. Yeah, I call it stuff. So what? But man, these are beautiful. These are beautiful. I thought about changing the laces to gold laces, but man, it's got so much gold on here. I don't even know if you should bother. You know, I mean, it's popping like it is. So you just get this is your Foamposite Pro. The thing I'm digging is, of course, the all black, because that's one thing I really didn't like about some of the foams were the translucent outsole, because they get yellow, dirty, they don't look clean. I hate that. I take great care of my shoes, so I don't want them to look like, I just don't take care of them. So, we got a little factory glue there. Yep, a little factory glue. Otherwise, man, this is a dope shoe. I knew I had to have it as soon as I saw it. I was surprised that it dropped so fast, but I really was looking forward to them. And so here we have it. Just a quick review of the Foamposite black and gold. Thanks for tuning in.